Hello and welcome to this introductory lecture on tax reform. The battle for the soul of America has begun and revolves around the tax policies that will be enacted into law in the next couple of years. On the one hand, there's a small group of very wealthy individuals and corporations whose tax policies will destroy the middle class by continuing to ship American jobs overseas, by defunding public education, by defunding Medicare, and by bankrupting Social Security. If their tax policies are successful, we will end up with a modern-day feudal-type economic system complete with a very small middle class, but a very large number of poorly educated, unskilled workers ruled by an elite few. On the other hand, there's a group of people who advocate tax policies that will stabilize and then expand the middle class, because their tax policies will ensure the programs and services necessary to create a vast majority of middle class people. If successful, we will end up with a huge number of highly skilled, highly educated, and politically active people. Now, in order for that to occur, there's only four things that have to be in place, and they are: number one, affordable, high-quality health care; number two, a solvent Social Security system; number three, a great public education system; and number four, millions of high-paying jobs. Now, in order for that to occur, we simply have to restructure the tax code to require all people and all corporations to pay their fair share of taxes. We need to restructure the tax code to provide the revenue necessary to fund the programs our society deems important. We need to place new taxes on foreign imports to protect American manufacturers and American workers from unfair competition. We need to reprioritize our budget expenditures, and we need to pay down the national debt. This tax reform plan accomplishes all this and more, and does so by lowering taxes. Let me elaborate on that last point. This tax reform plan will lower taxes for individuals and corporations. It will lower the tax on capital gains, and it will remove the tax on interest. At the same time, it will eliminate the estate tax for over 98% of Americans, and it will eliminate personal income taxes. Now, while this has occurred over here, this tax reform plan will actually raise $1 trillion more than we do on an annual basis. This extra $1 trillion per year, combined with the reprioritization of our budget expenditures, will allow us to fund all government programs that we need without endangering the economy. Further, it will create and fully fund national health care. It will solve Social Security's long-term funding problem, and it will create superior public schools for all our students. Additionally, all students who are academically qualified will be able to go to college free of charge. Now, to see how we can accomplish all this, please go to www.serioustaxreform.com. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to speaking with you in the near future.